Hey, in this video today, what I wanted to talk about is a little bit of the direction for 2025. And just to get it out of the way, my voice is a little messed up. I'm still not 100%, but we, as you can hear me cracking here, we are going to get through this video together. So 2024 was a really good year. We had a lot of stuff that grew really well, and I had some stuff that did not grow. And that's okay. It's part of gardening. We're going to move on, learn from it, try to tweak a few things, and beat it in 2025. So, but what I wanted to really talk about is just really the direction of this channel for 2025. Now, we had a big milestone in 2024, and we passed 10,000 subscribers. And I say we because we passed 10,000 subscribers on this channel. And no YouTube creator can do anything without you all watching and supporting and commenting and sharing and liking and just being a part of that amazing community that is being built. So from right here, thank you all very much. I am so excited to see where 2025 leads us all, and to continue growing, both in learning for me, sharing, and communicating, and just having fun on this channel, because that's what it's all about, right? Learning and having fun. And I think I definitely have fun on this channel. All right, one of the things that I said on the video when we passed 10,000 subscribers was in 2025 I would start doing a monthly live. Now, that was a couple months ago. I've been thinking about it, when to do it, and how to format it. And to be honest with y'all, I've done 3 lives, which you can go back and look at. I'm not going to script anything. I'm just going to have fun. And I think that's the joy of this channel, is that you all just see a guy who's just being himself in the garden, having fun, laughing, making mistakes, failing, showing them, and encouraging everyone to grow and get your kiddos involved, and all the fun stuff that this channel is all about. So my lives are going to be the same. I'm not going to come in with a script or anything like that. We're just going to have fun and have a garden talk once a month, at least at the beginning, and just have some fun. I mean, that's what it's all about, right? So what I'm thinking, and I will clarify it in January, but I'm thinking the third Sunday of every month, at 3 o'clock Central Time. So wherever you are in the country, just base it off of 3 o'clock Central, and we will do a live on the third Sunday at 3 o'clock Central. Again, I will put that out there when I make it official, and we'll go from there. But lives are definitely coming. I enjoy the interaction. I'm not going to lie to y'all, they make me nervous, because right now it's just me, my phone, a cup of coffee, my dog in this backyard. But a live, you're talking to people live. You know what I mean? So now the rules of the live are going to be really simple. We're going to talk gardening. We're not talking politics. We're not talking religion. We're not talking anything that's controversial, unless it has to do with gardening. What's really controversial in gardening? Tomato suckers. For some reason, people get all bent out of shape about tomato suckers. What else? I don't know. That's all I could think of right off the top of my head. Tomato suckers. They're a necessary evil depending on the type of tomato plant that you're growing. That's all I'm going to say. We're going to move on. Okay, also in 2025, we have got the hashtag Garlic Challenge 2025 going. And we are going to come back with the hashtag Tomato Challenge 2025. So we're going to have 2 challenges that we are definitely knee-deep involved in on this channel, along with Brian from Next Level Gardening and Little Homestead Big Dreams for the Tomato Challenge, and Big Wheel Dog 82 in the soil for the as I've got mosquitoes on me, for the hashtag Garlic Challenge 2025. I'll put the video for the rules for the Garlic Challenge up right here. The Tomato Challenge, I'm going to announce the official rules, because we're going to tweak them, I think, a little bit, in about 2 weeks, 3 weeks, somewhere right in that range, and have some fun with that. So we've got those challenges going. We've got lives coming. I am going to slowly try to get some merch, something for merch out, because I've been asked, which is very humbling that people want to wear my shirt's channel, my channel's shirt or merch. I love that. It's incredibly humbling. I'm just a goofy dude in the backyard, y'all, but I love it. So I will work on that, I promise. I've kind of been procrastinating on it because it kind of freaks me out in a good way, but I'm just a nerd. So for 2023, the entire theme of that year was the year of the seed. I did not plant anything in the garden that I did not grow from seed. Period. Nothing for that entire year. And I had a really good year. And the reason I did that, y'all, was to force myself to really learn that side of gardening, the seed side of gardening, the growing your own seeds, the looking at the calendar and seeing when your last expected frost date is, and back everything up to start your seeds. And I did that for all 4 seasons. So that year I learned a lot on that side of gardening. And it was super useful. And I saved a lot of money not buying transplants. Just saying. Okay, last year I did not have a theme for the year that I can think of. But for 2025, we are going to go very pepper heavy. I want to really learn the pepper game from seed to harvest. Peppers are a bit of a pain in the butt, not gonna lie. Especially super hots, which is what I want to grow. Not because I'm gonna eat them. I can't do that. They kill me. But I want to be able to grow them. And I want to be able to have that in my back pocket on how to properly grow super hots and make them abundant. So I'm going to do some experiments. We are going to do a video series on a pepper plant or 2 pepper plants. I haven't decided yet. It'll kind of be like the single seed challenge, but not. This is going to be strictly pepper. I'm going to figure out the peppers that I want to chronicle through the entire life cycle of them. And again, I know this sounds like the single seed challenge, but this is not going to be that. This is going to be a different element to truly learning a plant. And 2025 is going to be the year of the pepper for me. I'm either going to succeed in growing these things or fail miserably. But either way, guess what? You all are riding shotgun for this trip. Now, we will also be doing the hashtag Single Seed Challenge 2025. I will never not do that challenge. It's the whole reason I started this channel. It's because of Scott Head over on Black Gumbo Southern Gardening. He put out that challenge. I saw that challenge, what was it, 2021? Or 2020 or 2022? Yeah, I don't even remember. Next year will be my 5th year gardening, my 4th year on YouTube, so everything's starting to blend together. But we will also be doing the Single Seed Challenge for 2025, and I will not destroy and kill that plant like I did this year's challenge plant. I'm also looking forward to doing more collaborations with other YouTubers, YouTube gardeners. Now, we've already started a video series, a once-a-month video series that's basically a coast-to-coast look at what's going on in each zone across the country at the same time. I think that's fun. I think it's educational. I think it's informative to let everybody know that, hey, I'm down here in zone 9A. And if you look right now behind me, it's December 15th, I think. And I'm in a t-shirt and shorts. It's 70 degrees out here. I'm getting hit by mosquitoes. And you might be watching this video right this second, this morning on Sunday, and you're looking out the window and you've got 3 foot of snow and you've got all your seeds going inside and you're growing something inside. I don't know. But I think it's cool to be able to see what is going on across the country in different zones at the same time. So we've already started that, which we will start back up again in January. And I want to throw this out there to anyone who's watching this. If you are in zone 4, 5, if you are in zones 4 or 5 and want to join in on this video collaboration starting in January, hit me up. drop a comment, go over to the Instagram page and DM me, and let's talk. I would love to have somebody from each zone as a representative or an ambassador for that zone. I think it'd just be awesome and fun, and just, you know, taking YouTube to another level and just having fun with it and showing and sharing and growing together this amazing YouTube gardening community. Not just the one here on this channel, but the YouTube gardening community. All right, everyone, so that's everything I've thought about for 2025. We're going to continue growing. I think that's the exciting part of being on YouTube or being on social media, is being able to reach out and talk to people and help people and encourage people. And one big focus that my channel's always had is getting those kiddos involved. Focus your energy on growing that burning desire inside a little kiddo's mind to grow something. Literally plant that seed in their head to want to grow, because they're our future. So go into 2020s, go into 2025 thinking the same thing. Do you have a nephew, a grandson, a granddaughter, a daughter, a niece, a nephew, a neighbor kid, someone from church, you know, whatever, that you think you could teach to grow, or that would be interested in learning to grow? It could just be one pot, y'all. Just get them growing. That's important. Very, very important. At least to me, it's incredibly important. Okay, so I'm going to let everybody go on this beautiful Sunday. Hopefully it's beautiful where you are. Hope you all got something out of this video. Hope you are excited as I am for 2025. If you're a gardener friend of mine, I know you all are excited for 2025. If you are a brand new gardener and you are super excited about the prospects of spring, hey, join the club, y'all. It's part of it. Start planning. We will start putting out videos to help you plan for your spring gardens wherever you are, and start getting ready if you are a brand new beginner gardener, or if you're just thinking about gardening and you just happen to come across this page or this channel and I've inspired you to do something. Hey, great. That's what it's all about, right? If you enjoyed this video, do me the 3 favors: share, like, and subscribe to this channel. You all take care. God bless. I'm looking forward to 2025, as I'm sure you all are also. I'll talk to you all again real soon. Bye.